In this video, I'll give you my first reaction to the Hooked protocol launch, which was today. But apart from that, we'll also talk a little bit about the project itself, its potential. Like, I think it has a lot of potential for the long term, so it's definitely interesting to watch. And we'll take a look at the price. But yeah, to start off, I mean, welcome. Hope you're all doing great. I couldn't stop myself from making a quick video on Hooked protocol. Obviously, I made a big video on it about what it was. If you want to check that out, just go to Hook protocol. You type that and it's probably there somewhere. Yeah, should you buy Hook? There I tell you everything you need to know about what Hook protocol is. Basically, it's a learn to earn protocol kind of developed to get people into Web3 and to get people into crypto. You can actually make money by doing quizzes and stuff. I think it has a lot of potential. Today was the launch on Binance, at least. It's probably going to get some other listings as well soon. But pretty big listing. And yeah, I mean, it's going pretty well. I mean, if we compare this with hash flow, it's holding its levels pretty well. Now, with I mean, a lot of you people who participated in the launchpad of Hook didn't get a lot of Hook. That was because, I mean, they only like right now the circulating supply is like 50 million. And I think only 25 million was on the Binance launchpad. So that was a very small allocation. That was only like 50 million. And a huge amount of people allocated their BNB. So like a lot of people, they allocated like $600 in BNB and got like 30 cents of Hook. Because of the limited amount. But yeah, I mean, what we can say, I mean, Hook protocol, I think the project has a lot of potential. I think long term, kind of depending on how many people will use it and those kind of analytics, I think long term we can get to a 500 million market cap, to a 1 billion. I think we could even get up to a 5 billion, 10 billion market cap. Quite easily. So I think Hook protocol, I'm actually going to add it to my watch list now. I think it has a lot of potential on the long term. Now, there's still a lot of inflation. Right now, only 10% of the supply is in circulation. Obviously, that's something you need to know. But yeah, I do think it has a lot of potential. Now, that obviously before that, after a token has just launched, what you can also see right now, the price is still very unstable. You can definitely see that right now. First we went up to 2.5, then we dropped down by like 20% down to $2, and now we are recovering a little bit. So we are going to analyze the price a little bit, but I have to say, I mean, after a launch like this, usually what happens in the bear market is that a crypto keeps falling for a little bit. Even though I think long-term the Hook protocol has a lot of potential, short-term that's just how token launches work most of the time. So right now what we can identify is that right now our main resistance level is between 2.3 and 2.35. And we found some major support around $2. All right, $2 was obviously, it's a strong psychological support level, but it was also enough to kind of get this bullish momentum going. So the thing we would like to do now is get up to 2.5 again. See, we seem to react very well to 2.25, $2, 2.5. So we will probably react very well to 2.75 and $3 as well. See, right now, what we're going to do with Hook protocol is we're probably going to get up to 2.3, 2.35 again. And if we then find resistance and we drop back down to $2, then I would say the chances are pretty big that $2 will break and that will drop down to more like 1.75. Maybe 1.9 and then 1.75, which is no problem for the long term. I mean, short term, I would always advise you to stay out of these tokens because of the volatility. There's always money to be made, but there's a lot of money to be lost as well. But we're going to test that. If we can actually break above 2.3, we're going up to 2.5 again. And then, because we have quite a lot of bullish momentum, we'll probably even get up to 2.75. So it really depends on what we do now. We're going up to 2.3, 2.35 again. If we reject off of that quite heavily, we're probably going to continue some more bearish momentum, and otherwise we can actually get a new all-time high if we don't count this candle. So yeah, altogether quite bullish on the Hook protocol. So if you got some, I would definitely hold on to that, even though that's not financial advice, of course. But for now, I want to wish you all a great Friday in advance. I hope to see you all tomorrow, and bye.